I took a leap of faith for this pillow, and honestly, the floor feels surprisingly like success.
No!
I'm not asleep, I'm just testing the car's suspension with the weight of my dreams. I've officially committed to the bush life. If you need me, I'll be busy being a very hairy garden gnome.
Oh, careful, Daddy.
Why do you sit like that?
Behold the master of disguise. I've officially become part of the floorboards until the vacuum cleaner leaves the room.